What's going on, everybody? Just went to pick this bad boy up today. Yep, we just increasing our services. You know, now we offer lawn care services, full lawn care, and now we're offering pressure washing again. We did pressure washing a couple years ago, but we stopped and got right back strictly to carpets. But now we just open the market back up because we're going to be, you know, your solution for all your cleaning needs. That's our, you know, our little saying, A+ Cleaning Solutions. We are the solution for all your cleaning needs. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this little gutter extension and this surface cleaner because I want to start doing driveways as well. We already clean cars. I can clean those with my copper cleaning machine already. But yeah, man, I just wanted to let y'all know what's going on with A+. If y'all in Atlanta area that need some good pressure washing on your homes, decks, driveways, just give us a call. A+ Cleaning Solutions. Alright, y'all, here goes the unboxing. I guess that's why they call these butter knives. Only supposed to cut butter, huh? Alright. It says stop. Even though we don't read all this. I don't know nobody who ever read all that. Alright, we got our instruction sheet, which we'll look at it momentarily. Hold that for me, sir. Okay. Ready? I just got a little 29 horsepower. It was an additional $100 for the 3,000 horsepower. So I'm like, what's an additional 1,000 horsepower? Alrighty. Now, there's our pressure gun. Alright. Alright, here goes a little extension to the pressure gun. Man, we finna. I only got what, 2 jobs lined up. 2 driveway, well, a driveway in the house, and a back deck, and I got to do this house. So that's 4 jobs already lined up. All they've been waiting on me is my other pressure washer. It's over there in the garage, but the hose busted, and I just oh, it comes with the oil. All right, so I gotta go buy no oil now. I just gotta get some gas. Yeah, the hose that came with it butters. This hose right here, and the pressure washer that we had, we bought it off of Finger Hut, and I wasn't able to find another hose, so I've been having customers waiting on me. And then I just said today, Home Depot, they have refurbished pressure washers. They're not refurbished. It's just like, you know how people buy something, use it on a couple of jobs, and then take it back, and they can't sell it as new, so they have to sell it as refurbished. And they had one just like this. It was the 3,000 PSI, and they wanted $269 for it, but it don't come with nothing but a 30-day warranty. So I just went on and got this one for $269 brand new, but it was a 29 PSI. So what's the difference in 100 PSI? But this one comes with a year warranty, and we can buy the 3-year extended warranty, and it comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. But it's also limited, so I ain't no telling what's included in that. But anyway, it's all good. But yeah, man, this is the machine. I'm finna take it out and I put it all together. But yeah, man, I gotta go and get this little money. Alright, I got it all assembled and ready for use. So I'm gonna take it out tomorrow because it's dark outside now. The only thing I hate is you gotta have your little jug on the side for the soap. Like, here got a little illustration right here. See, you got to run it like that. I like the other one that was a 28. It had the soap container right here on the front. But now on this one, you just got to run your line right there. Just put your little bucket of soap right there. But other than that, it's all good. So I'm going to take it out there tomorrow and play with it before I go to my first customer's house with it. It even came with its own oil. But I don't have my phone in here, so I'm going to just have to wait till tomorrow to actually fill up and put some gas in and give it a try. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Maybe y'all will see me